The Sketched Text tool in SolidWorks makes it really simple to turn any text that you type into a sketch that you can use with your part models. I'll open it from Tools, Sketch Entities, and Text, and select a face for the text. In the text box, any text that you type will be turned into a sketched curve, as you can see in the graphics area. The text is automatically placed in the center of the face. One way to manually position the text is to simply click somewhere and the text will be moved to the cursor. To get more accuracy, however, I would recommend using some kind of reference geometry, such as a center line that you can add in your sketch, or you can use an edge of the model to place the text. For this example, I'll select this edge of the model to locate the text. Here, I can set how I want the text to be positioned in relation to the references edge I selected, such as the alignment, or I can flip the text. If I don't want to use the default font defined for the part file, I can uncheck Use Document Font and adjust the size, spacing, or choose a different font. I can then create an extrude or a cut extrude, which I'll be going over in a later lesson to give the text some depth.